Why do electronic factories have to use industrial dehumidifiers? Component oxidation leads to short circuits and malfunctions. Even worse, it expands and bursts when exposed to moisture. After using the FREEAIR dehumidifier, it is possible to effectively prevent the components in the workshop from getting damp. Just one dehumidifier can solve the problem of moisture prevention, and it's also cost-effective.